In this video, I'm going to show you how to move data into a big table in Glide. For this, first of all, head over to your Glide app. Once you are here, go into the Data tab. Right now, as you can see here, I have different tables with different data, which I want to move to one unique big table. The first and most important thing you want to check is that the column names or field names of every table are the same, as you can see here in my tables. Every table has different data, but the column names are identical, with the exact same data types in each column. Once you have checked that, you need to create a big table, which I have created over here, and then add the same column names and data types for this big table as well. Right now, if you notice, the logo of my big table looks different from the logo of my other tables. This is because a big table is different from a normal table in Glide. If you click on the plus icon over here to add a table, you will see the option to add a blank table, which is a normal table that can store up to 25,000 rows. But in the same drop-down menu, you will also see the option Glide Big Tables, and a single Glide Big Table can hold up to 10 million rows, which are more than enough for your data. Now, once everything is set and you want to move all of your data into a big table, the first and most straightforward way is to copy-paste the data. For example, in my first small table, I will copy the first 5 rows. Select your data, use copy keys like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, then go into your big table, add new rows, and paste the data using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. But if you have thousands of rows, this method will take too long. For this, I will delete these rows over here. The best method is to export each small table into a separate CSV file and then import all of them into the big table. To do this, go into your first small table, right-click it, and select Export. Make sure you have selected all the columns you want to export, then click Export. Repeat this for each table. Right now, I have downloaded my 3 CSV files. Once your files are ready, go into your big table, right-click on its name, select Import, click Choose a File, select your first CSV file, click Open, and then Continue. Do the same for the other small table CSV files. Keep doing this until all files are imported. Once finished, all records are successfully moved to the big table. The number of rows is displayed next to the table name, in my case, 40 rows. You can repeat this process for as many tables as needed, no matter the size of your data. And this is how you can move data into a big table in Glide.